Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Publix. The date for this video is running from January the 18th until January the 23rd. Please excuse my voice. I'm still not feeling the best. I have been working on getting rid of this sinus infection, so please pray for me that I start to feel better. Um, I did a drawing in my last video to win a $10 Publix gift card. Now, that will be released in this video. So just watch the video through and you might see your name drawn for the $10 Publix gift card in this video. Don't forget there is a link for a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. Just print it off. Or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. So let's get started on some deals. The first deal is on this famous Amy's bite-sized 12-pack cookies. Usually the 12 packs are $8.49 each, but they're buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up 2 packs. Your total will be $8.49. There is a $12 Swagbucks rebate on the Swagbucks app. If you do not have the Swagbucks app, I suggest you download that. There is a referral code for that in the description box. It is one of the highest paying apps out there. So when you buy those 2 packs of cookies, you'll submit your receipt to Swagbucks for $12 back, which is going to make this a money maker of $3.50. So awesome, already starting off with a $3.50 money maker. And like I said, there is a referral code in the description box. When you sign up for Swagbucks, you get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. Great deals at Publix this week on pull-ups and Huggies diapers. So first deal is on the pull-ups. They are $8.99. There is a $1.50 coupon on the Publix app. So all digital deal on this. No need to print any coupons or clip them out. Then you're going to go to the front of the Publix store. In the green booklet, the extra savings flyer booklet, there is a $2.50 coupon that you can use, as well as using that digital coupon because it is a store coupon. So with that $2.50 store coupon and that $1.50 digital coupon, the pull-ups are going to be $4.99 per pack. We have the same deal with the Huggies diapers. Now, these Huggies diapers are also on sale for $8.99. On the Publix app, there is a $1.50 coupon for the Huggies diapers. So you're going to be able to use that Publix coupon in conjunction with that coupon that you find at the front of the store in the green extra savings flyer for $2.50 off. So $8.99, $1.50 digital, $2.50 store coupon makes each pack of Huggies diapers $4.99. I am going to put this link for a free Danyan yogurt up to $5.99 in my description box. However, I am hearing from people that after you print the coupon off, it is not working. It's a valid coupon, but I think there's something wrong with the barcode. So if you do print this off and they don't accept it, make sure that you talk to customer service because they will take it off for you if it doesn't work. I know a lot of people on the health care journey right now. So this muscle milk is a protein shake. It is $8.23. There is a 20% off on the muscle milk. So that 20% is going to make it $8.23. So $8.23, and then there is a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Publix app. So that will take $4.12 off of the muscle milk, making you to pay about $4.12 for both of them, or about $2.06 for each one. You guys know if chicken broth or beef broth is on sale, I'm definitely picking it up. So the Progresso broth right now, I need some actually, is $2.79, but they're buy one get one free. So each container is going to be $1.40 each. Great deal on this. Definitely always pick up chicken broth when it is on sale. All right, as a mom, dad, whatever, do you hate buying fruit roll-ups? Because I hate buying them. There's these come 10 in a box. They're usually 4.21. They'll be $2.10 after the BOGO. But I feel like I buy a box and literally the next day they're gone. They just devour them. It's just a waste to me. All right, this deal is on the famous Amos cookies. This deal is different than the one I talked to you about earlier. Now, these cookies are buy one get one free, so they're usually $4.39, but they'll be $2.20 each. You'll pay $4.40 at the register, and then you'll submit your receipt to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4. So it's going to make each pack of these famous Amos cookies 20 cents or 40 cents each, 40 cents together. And this is on the like world cookies. You got to look for these. These are like the Belgium ones and all that. But good deal on that. Very high rebate coming back from Swagbucks. And like I said before, if you don't have Swagbucks, you definitely need to be downloading that app. I am always a big fan of the Sargento balance breaks. There's three in a pack, and they're usually $4.19. They're buy one get one free, so each pack will be $2.10. This is such a good little convenient snack, and it helps you not to eat junk food, things you shouldn't be eating, because you get a little salty with the cheese and the crackers and the nuts in it. Next thing is this fresh attitude salad. I love this. This is my favorite kind. It's usually $4, but it's buy one get one free. So each container is $2, and I love it because they have like spinach kind. They have the mix spring mix kind. Another great deal is on these olives to go. My daughter loves olives, and the olives to go are not cheap. And so they're usually $3.69. They're buy one get one free. So each container is going to be about $1.85, which is a really good deal on the olives to go. This is a good deal on the Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Pretty expensive ice cream, $6, but we're going to be getting it for as low as $1.53. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 containers of the Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Now, it's buy one, get one free. So it's going to cost $9.59. We do have a $5 coupon that's going to attach for those 3 containers. So it's going to leave you to pay about $4.58 or $1.53. Now, anytime the Cetaphil baby is on sale, I always pick this up to put into baby shower gifts. So it's usually $6.29. It's 25% off right now. So that's about $1.58 off of the price. So at the register, it'll be about $4.71. And then you're going to head on over to IBOTTA. There is a IBOTTA rebate for $1.25 back. So it's going to make the Cetaphil baby $3.46. Now you could do this deal up to 5 times because it is an Ibotta rebate. And so you can get each bottle for $3.46. Now let me know in the comments if you are a Ragu family or a Prego family. Now we are a Ragu family, and this Ragu is usually $3.15. Now this jar of Ragu is too small for us. We have to usually get the big container. But if you were to get the small jar, it will be $1.58 after the BOGO. Now I wanted to bring this up because I always look for items to donate, and these single rice-a-ronis are a great item to donate to your local food bank. So they are $1.89 and they'll be 95 cents after the BOGO. Great, great item to donate to your local food bank from Publix. Now, let's announce our winner. Our winner for our Publix gift card last week is Christine R3318. Christine, congratulations. Thank you for liking my Instagram and my TikTok channel. All you have to do is to claim your Publix gift card is to send me an email. My email is in the description box. So just pull that up, email me, and I'll get it to you. Now, the next deal is on the Celatano pasta. These are great for lunches, and we get them all the time for lunches on the weekends. We like the cheesy ones. So they're 5.07, but they're buy one get one free. So each pack will be $2.54 per pack. Now, you know I cannot let a week go by without getting some bacon. So the Hormel bacon this week is $10, but it's buy one get one free. So each pack of bacon is going to be $5 per pack of bacon. I'm always looking for a good deal on Pillsbury items because they're quick. So the Pillsbury biscuits are usually $3.83. They're buy one, get one free. So they'll be about $1.94. We have a $1 coupon that's going to come off. So your total will be about $2.88 or $1.44 each. I've never tried these, but these are the Daring plant-based chicken. They are buy one get one free, usually $6.69, but they'll be $3.35 each. You're gonna pick up 2 bags. They'll be $6.70. There's an IBOTTA rebate for $2 back when you buy two, which is gonna make your total $4.70 or $2.35 per bag. And I believe you would find this in the frozen section. Now, this is going to be my deal of the day. This is on the Finish Quant Ultimate. They are usually $9.69. They are buy two, get one free. So at the register, you're just going to have to pay for two of them. All right. Now, on Ibotta, there is a rebate back for each one. So you're going to get $3 back on each one. So you're going to get $9 back on Ibotta for these. But the deal gets better than this because even though you're getting money back, there is also two digital coupons on the Publix app. There is a $2 and a $2. That's $4 in digital coupons on the Publix app. So with the $4 in coupons, um, only paying for two of them instead of three, and the $9 back on Ibotta, your total is going to be $6.38 or $2.12 each. Make sure when you do this deal, you pick up 3 bags. All right, praisers and savers, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I appreciate it when you guys like, share, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming out. It means the world to me when you guys watch my videos from start to finish. That's what keeps me coming back and bringing these videos to you every single week. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully, heading into Target this weekend. Have a blessed week. Thanks.